Okay. So last day we have discussed about formulas. Last day we have discussed about formulas, and today what we are going to do, we are going to discuss about functions. So like last day we discussed about formula, and today we are going to discuss about functions, right? And basically, let's go to the note. Function is, as I said, special keyword. Right? Function is special keyword. So use instead of the mathematical. So which is used instead of mathematical formulas. In mathematical formulas, basically we have used mathematical formulas previously. Okay, so you can see the selection step and mathematical formulas. It's always arithmetic symbols, addition, division, subtraction, multiplication. So likewise, we have used mathematical things. But function, in the other hand, you can write the heading function is a special keyword. It's a special keyword defined process. It is special keyword defined process. It's a special keyword defined process to do a specific task. Example, sum will get the total, average will get the average. Then rank will give the comparative position in descending order. Position according to the descending order. Comparative position according to the descending order. Okay, that is about function. So I have given some examples, and today what we are going to do, we are going to apply these functions and see them. Okay, while doing that, I just want to ask few questions. So this is actually not related to grade 8, grade 9, so it's related to grade 8. Aditi, you said that your command was not working. So what has happened?
Yes, sir.
Did you try this one? So you have to try this command, right? So this is related to grade 8, others don't worry. Right? So you can just,
Minus S minus H. That command.
yeah, what it said?
It. I also have the.
You have to
Wait.
use attrib minus S minus H minus R, this command, right? So when you get an
Yes.
error, if you get an error, please let me know. Take a screenshot and send it to me. Take a photo and send it to me. And what Hiruka failed to do is, I asked him to CD double dot to go back, but he just put CD. So then I asked you to put dir to see whether desktop is there. If desktop is still not there, you can go back CD double dot again and again dir and check whether you are in the correct profile. So I'm in HP Pro, but I'm not sure whether Hiruka is in the correct profile or not. It seems he's not in correct profile. That's the issue. But anyway, you have to send the print screen, or at least in the practical, you have to get it done, right? So these mistakes, please correct, right? So because you have to use exactly the same thing, same command. But in case if you miss, take a screenshot, then I can explain. Or take a video call. Not now, right? After the class, you can take a video call and then I can check it. Aditi also the same. If it is not working, take a video call, then I can explain. That is a practical. Okay, but in this one, we are doing Excel. Fortunately, we have Google Sheets by Google, and we can see what you are doing, right? But unfortunately for Windows, we don't have such platform unless we are accessing this remotely. So, but we can't remote access when it is a group class, right? Individual class, we can remote access. That's why we are doing that in practicals. But we can't access remotely when we are doing group class. That's why, right? But for Excel, we have mechanism, easy way to access, that is using Google Sheets. So let me share the same Google Sheet. So is there any new students today? Any new student came just today? No. I think all students, right? So that's good. Right. In case if you are new, please let me know, then I can help you do this, right? So yes, we are going to learn about functions. Right, first of all, let's discuss about sum function, equal sum function. Please write equal sum function. Subheading equal sum. We can use equal sum in the following methods. We can use equal sum in the following methods. Method 1. Sum a range. Sum a cell range. You can use equal sum, then the range. Example, you can use equal sum A1 to A10. That is the example. That is method number 1. So in case if there are new students, please let me know. Otherwise, you will confuse, right? This is method number 1. Equal sum. How to use equal sum? Find the average. Sorry, find the total. Okay. The method number 2. Sum defined cells by an address, by addresses. Sum defined cells by addresses. That means we are going to take the total of given addresses. You can use sum address 1, address 2, address 3, etc. That is how you use equal sum. Example, can say equal sum A10, B12, B23, C10, C12. Likewise, you can give the cell addresses. Give the cell addresses to get the sum. Method 3. Some given ranges. Some given ranges, that is method 3. You can use some range 1, range 2, range 3, etc. To do that, the example is equal sum A1 to A10, comma, B1 to B10, comma, C2 to D4. Likewise, you can give the ranges. Method 4. Working but not good. That is equal sum. You can give A1, A2, A3, A4. Working but not good. Why? Equal sum A1, A2, A3, A4. If you came last day class, you know the reason. This method 4 is working, but it is not good. Why? What's the reason? Can anyone tell? Hello, guys. Okay, I'll ask from Inuka. Minul. Yes. Why it is not good? Why that method is not good? So you have two answers. This is the reason. The answer number 2 is, so I don't know. So what is your answer, Inuka? Devi? Hello? ඇහෙනවනේ ඔයගලන්ට? Yes, why it is not? Why it is not good? Devmi, Yenoli, yes? Yenoli, why it is not good? Yenoli? Oh, not answering. Tenuga, Tevindu. Come on, no one is there. Right? Why it is not good? දන්නේ නැත්නම් දන්නේ නැහැ කියන පුතේ. උත්තර නොදී ඉන්න එපා. ඒක අපරාධයක්. මොකද අපරාධයක් කියන ඕගොල්ලෝ එක්කෙනෙක් උත්තර දෙන්නේ නැතිකොට 12 දෙනෙක්ගේ කාලය අපරාධය. ඒකයි අපරාධයක් කිව්වේ. අදිති?
Don't know.
Okay, so what is this A1 plus? This is formula. We learned this one last day. Right here. C14 plus D14 plus. This is a formula. So, function is a keyword. So, why you use formula inside function? That is unwanted because function is used for that purpose. No? හරි මෙහෙම හිතන්න දැන් ඔන්න වාට ස්ලිපර්ස් දාගන්න වාට එළියට යන්න පුළුවන්. ඇවිදින්න ස්ලිපර්ස් දාගෙන යන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ ඇයි දුවිලි ගෑවෙන හින්දා. ඒ වගේම එළියට යාගෙන යන්න පුළුවන් ෂූස් දාගෙන යන්නත් පුළුවන්. ඇයි ඒ දුවිලි ගෑවෙන හින්දා. දැන් ඔයා තීරණය ගන්නවා ෂූස් දාලා ෂූස් වලට යටින් ස්ලිපර්ස් දාන්න. එහෙම යන්න පුළුවන්ද බැරිද? යන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි එහෙම ඕනද? Shoes and slippers both do you need? ඒකටත් උත්තර ගන්න නැහැ කියන්නේ බෑ. අදිති?
No.
Shoes and slippers you don't need. So one, this function will do that. Function will do that. So why you are using formula again? Formula will also do that. So you are using two things now. Function and formula both, but it is working. But don't do that, it's not good. It's working, but don't do that. That is like you're wearing slippers and shoes both to go outside, which is unwanted, right? So, but still working, right? Still, it's good. It's a very good method. If you are really afraid of COVID-19 and if you think that it will be, so you can just wear shoes and slippers, again shoes. Likewise, you can protect yourself, right? I was joking, right? I was joking, right? Right, okay. Just now let's do the next function is equal average. Equal average function. So please write down the heading. It is used to find the average of a given range or specific ranges or given addresses. can be used similar to the sum function. Can be used similar to the sum function. Okay, now let's apply this and see. So this is our note. Let's apply this and see. Okay. So I'll share you the Google Sheet. If you don't have, I'll share you the Google Sheet. So please start working with the sheet and try to find the sum and average answers. Here I'm sharing you. I'm sharing the editable link. And yes, I have sent this to you in the chat section. Please go to chat and see. Please go to chat and refer that. So log into your sheet, open the sheet, and now try to find the last week we found using these formulas, no? Equal. So last week we used, last week we used equal C14 plus D14 plus E14. That is a formula. This week what you have to do, you have to apply equal sum and then give the cell range. C14 to E14, or you can give C14, D14, E14. But don't do like that, right? Don't give like shoes and slippers method. Don't do like C14 plus D14 plus E14. That is using shoes and slippers both. Same time for the single purpose. So don't do that, just give the range C14 to E14. So it will calculate. Right. Please do that quickly. Please apply. I'm checking your sheets, right? I'm checking your sheets. Whether you have done it or not. Let's check the sheets of Inuka. Still you have not started Inuka. Patanga Nikmanata. Tevindu. Rasindu. Tama Patangaran and Rasindu. Karlana hai. Karana venama. Minul formula එක තියෙන minul function එකෙන් ලියන්න. Janiru, are you here today? Seems Janiru is not here today. Hamdan, Hirushan, are you here today?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please start doing this. Hirushan, Patangan, just write the total and average. But you have to calculate Hirushan. Don't put this. You have just put the values without calculating. Dimat. Yeah, I think you have started. Deomi. Started, good. Started and done, very good. Anadi. Yes, you are here. You have to start this, quickly do this. Still not done. Aditi. It seems doing. Okay. All of you, kindly do this. I'm checking this time to time. Please do this. If you have any issue, please let me know, then I can help. If you have any problem, difficulties, difficult to understand, don't know how to do anything, please ask, then I can help. Okay, the rank function, equal rank function, you can use like this, equal rank the cell address of the ranker or rank person, rank 1, then the cell range to compare. Cell address of the rank 1 and cell range to compare. Rank can be found based on total or average. Okay, just think.
So I am finished for total.
Okay. Total, average, and rank. All three try. You have to try for all three. Total, average, and rank. Try for all three. Okay. So tell me this. Tell me the answer. Pantiye palaveniya hoyanne kohada. How to find the first one of your class? Is it based on average or based on total? So how you find the number one person?
Total.
Yes,
Based on total.
total you can. Based on average, can't you? Based on average also you can. So who goes the here? So this person got the highest total, and he's having the highest average too. So he should be the first. So we can check the rank of this person by, if you are analyzing the total, you can check the total. So equal rank. Then you can give the total and comma. Then give, I want to find out from these people, from these, among these totals, what's the rank of the first total among these totals. So then it says it's 1. Then it says it's 1. Understood? I said I just want to find the rank of this total out of this other totals. Out of other totals, then it says, okay, your rank is 1. You can try this. Now you can try this. Okay, you are given marks of 7 students, and Minul, now you have to tell me the answer, right? You are given marks of 7 students and teacher asking which is the highest mark. How you get that? You have to compare with other 6 students, no? Agree, Minul?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to compare, first of all, you have to compare the marks of this student, F14. You have to compare the mark of F14 rank. You have to compare the mark of F14 with other students with from F14 to F20 students you have to compare. So this is the range. From this range, what is the rank of F14? So it says 1. Minul, now can you tell me the second one? How to find the rank of this one?
Rank within brackets
Yes.
F15,
F15, correct. Yes.
comma.
Yes.
Then we should drag it down
Drag it from where to where?
from F15 to F20.
15 to 20 or 14 to 20? That's what I'm asking.
From 14 to 20.
14 to 20, yes. That you have to understand. From these students, what is the rank of F15? Then you will get that. Okay, tell me the next one. Minul, come on. Tell me the next one.
Rank within brackets
Rank within brackets, okay.
F16,
F16, yes, this one. Yes, from?
comma.
Yes. From F14 to
F14 to F20.
F20, yes, F14 to F20, correct. So next one. Equal rank.
Within brackets F17.
F17's rank from F14
From
to
F14 to F20.
F20. Great. Okay. So likewise, here also rank F18. Now I think Devmi, can you understand now? Inuka? Devmi? Inuka is not there. Devmi, can you understand?
I can understand, sir.
Okay.
Sir, is my
Anadi?
rank correct?
Anadi? Hirushan?
Yes, sir.
I can understand, sir.
Okay. So
Sir,
again,
can you?
F18's rank of F18 from which range? Anadi? Rank of F18 from? Yes.
F20.
Yes, F20 from which one? F14 to F20, no? Because this is the range. From this range, what is the rank of this one? Understood? Okay. The next one, I'll give a chance to Devumi. Yes, Devumi, tell me. Rank of Devumi. Yes. පුතේ කතා කරමුද? මොකක්ද අවුල?
F19 to
No, rank of F19, right, correct. Rank of F19, read it, sorry, tell like that.